Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. When you are done, close Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, click on Apps and Notifications. Then click on Advanced and click on Default Apps. Finally, click on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by tapping on it. Now select Got It at the top. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same settings and clicking on Launcher or iOS Launcher 16. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!